This is Huawei Nova 11, and today I will show how you can switch your SIM card preferences on this device. So to start, you will need to launch Settings, then enter the mobile network category, open the SIM management page, and over there you can change the SIM card you prefer using the mobile data through, and switch the SIM card preferences for phone calls as well. In order to change the preferred SIM card for SMS messages though, you will need to open the messaging app itself, then open the dialog that you have, and then switch the SIM card preferences over there at the text field. So that will be it for this video. Thanks for watching, and bye bye.